Everyone. So today we are going to study deadlock detection. Okay, deadlock detection. So till now we have seen till deadlock avoidance. That was the banker's algorithm in which we used to get a safe sequence or a unsafe sequence. Got it? So how we are going to detect whether deadlock has occurred or not, it will occur or not. Okay, so first point is if the resources if the resources are of single instance type. See, what do you mean by instance? We have already discussed this, right? Suppose suppose R resource, and like this we have represent, it means two instances of resource R or R1. Okay, so if the resources are of single instance type, then what you have to do is simple. See what we'll do. Let's suppose this is the graph. Let's say R1 and it is P1. Process will be denoted by this, and it is requesting for resource R2. All the resources, both the resources are of single instance. Okay, that is why I have not mentioned dot there and here also. And suppose R2 is allocated to P2. Okay, and P2 is also requesting for R1. So can you see something here? See what we can analyze here. If a cycle exists in RAG. What is RAG? Resource allocation graph. That is resource allocation graph. If you run, you have a graph, resource allocation graph. You will make a graph if the resources are of single instances type, and then you will apply any cycle detection algorithm, which I have already discussed in studied in DA, right? So what you have to simply do, draw the RAG, that is resource allocation graph, and then run any cycle detection algorithm. How you can find out the cycle? BFS, DFS, whatever you want, you can apply. It will be better. You can detect the cycle. Now, if the cycle is present, it is confirmed that a deadlock going to happen. We have detected the deadlock. See, this graph can also be written like this. Resource R1 is here, and it is with P1, and P1 is requesting for R2, and R2 is with P2, and P2 is again requesting for R1. Got it? So we can see that there is a cycle. Okay. Now, second, you might think if the resources are of multiple instance type, INSTANCE type, then what to do? How will detecting the deadlock? Very easy. We have already studied in deadlock avoidance. Just apply the banker algorithm. Okay, just apply the banker's algorithm. Now if sequence you got is safe sequence, we can say no deadlock. Okay, now if the sequence is unsafe sequence, what is safe sequence, what is unsafe sequence? See, this is the sequence in which we are going to run the processes based on the resources which they have uh, they have asked for or which they want for their execution. And if we won't be able to provide the resources, then it becomes an unsafe sequence. Got it? So we can say that will appear deadlock will appear. Okay, so the for the single instances also and the for multiple instances we have seen how to detect the deadlock. Next video we'll studying the deadlock recovery. That means deadlock has already occurred, now how to recover it. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the session. Okay, thank you.